Silopî. Silopi Kurdish Silopi is a city and district of Şırnak Province in Turkey's southeastern Anatolia region, close to the borders of Iraq and Syria. The majority of its people are of ethnic Kurds. The district, composed of Silopi Center, 3 townships with their own municipalities, and 23 villages, has an urban population of 73,402,009 census. The mayor Adalet Fidan of the HDP, who was elected in 2019, was deposed the same year and replaced by the sub-governor kaymakam Sezer Işiktaş as a state-appointed caretaker acting mayor. The Habur frontier gate, the only major crossing between Turkey and Iraq, is in the district of Silopi and is a decisive factor in the region's economy. Queues of lorries waiting for customs and security clearance that sometimes reach a few dozen kilometers on the motorway connecting the two countries are a common sight. The Khabur River, which carries the same name as the frontier gate, crosses in the district territory and joins the Tigris here. The Kirkuk-Ceyhan Oil Pipeline also crosses the district. History. Turkish authorities placed the city of Silopi under curfew from 14 December 2015 for January 2016. According to the People's Democratic Party Turkey, 20 people were killed. Since July 2015, 34 people have been killed in Silopi. On August 7, 2015, clashes between Turkish security forces and the Kurdish militant PKK group may have killed 3 people. Government reports claimed terrorists were killed, while pro-Kurdish People's Democratic Party lawmaker Faisal Sarıali said that the casualties were civilians and that he had seen no sign of armed militants, according to Reuters. The Kurdish-Turkish conflict in the region has escalated since late July 2015. Employment. Şırnak Silopi Power Station is powered by asphaltite coal and is claimed both to emit air pollution and to be an important source of employment. In 2020, the EVID proposed a just transition to support workers who may lose jobs due to the decline of coal in Turkey. Peanuts are grown.